010 is a space for artists utilizing emerging technologies to interrogate authorship, creativity, and the digital creative environment. Hong Kong is really a central force for new media, the digital arts, and to bring 010 to this context was very natural. You will have preconceived notions about digital art, but one of our goals with this space is to reconstruct those notions of what digital art can be across sculpture and painting and robotics. 010 really opens this conversation about authorship, about collaboration with machine and emerging technologies, and also what it means to be an exhibitor in today's world. Can it be an individual lab, a studio, a formal brick and mortar gallery? We hope to invite that type of conversation and dialogue across the fair.